In respect of count 1, you are sentenced to a period of 5 years imprisonment. In respect of count 2, you are sentenced to a period of 2 years imprisonment. In respect of count 3, you are sentenced to 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In respect of count 4, you are sentenced to 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In respect of count 5, you are sentenced to pay a fine of 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In terms of Section 280, subsection 2 of Act 51 of 1977, the court orders that the sentence imposed in respect of counts 2, 3, 4, and 5 run concurrent with the sentence imposed in respect of count 1. You may be seated. Thank you.
So you guys, Julius Malema, leader of the Economic Freedom Fighter, has been sentenced to 5 years direct imprisonment by a court in the Eastern Cape. This comes after a long-running case linked to a 2018 political rally where Malema was seen firing a rifle into the air in front of supporters. The court found him guilty on multiple charges, including illegal possession of a firearm, possession of ammunition, discharging a firearm in public, and reckless endangerment. Now, after months of court battles and arguments from both sides, the judge has officially handed down a 5-year prison sentence. Malema's legal team has already filed for leave to appeal, meaning this case is far from over. If the appeal fails and the sentence stands, he could lose his position in Parliament, and it would be a massive blow to the EFF, one of South Africa's biggest opposition leader. You guys, now Malema is one of the most influential and controversial figures in South Africa, especially amongst young voters. And now, with a possible prison sentence hanging over him, the future of the EFF and even upcoming elections could be affected. Supporters are already reacting strongly, with some saying this is politically motivated, while others argue that no one is above the law. Now, you guys, the big question is, will Julius Malema actually go to prison, or will the appeal overturn everything? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.